Hi guys, welcome back to Arty Resin channel. My name is Thais. For the new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing, okay? I hope you enjoyed the channel and I hope you stick around. Okay, so for today's video, I am extremely excited and I believe you guys know why, because you obviously read the title, right? Yeah, I'm gonna do an unboxing. This is a mystery box that I bought from Glitz and Glitter by Michelle, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what's inside. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be able to create lots and lots of beautiful projects and resin pieces with this stuff. So let's open.
Oh yeah.
Let's see what we have inside. I shouldn't use this, right? I shouldn't have used it because I don't know. There's something I don't know. I hope I didn't cut anything, guys. Oh no. Thank God this was in the way, see? Let's see. Glitz and Glitter by Michelle. For best results, using leaves, pour a thin layer, layer leaves in, cure, fill rest of mold. See, she's giving tips with each stuff that she sent. That's so nice. Look at that. Autumn, fall's leaves. Beautiful, Michelle. Beautiful. Let's see what else. Ooh, these are pines, right? I'm not sure of the name in English, but I'm pretty sure it's pine. Pine, right? Your pines. They're so cute. Teeny tiny. Cute. Okay, what is this? What is that? Glitz and Glitter. Oh, ringstone tray, wax pencil sharpener. Thank you. I don't have that. Look at that. So if she sent that, probably there's ringstones in here. I hope so. Oh my God. Look at that, guys. Pumpkins. Oh, this is so freaking cute. Awesome. What else? Oh yeah, Glitz and Glitter by Michelle. Using these fall colored rhinestones. Sorry guys, use these fall colored rhinestones to bling up your fall project. Oh my God, that's awesome. Look at those. Look at those colors. Wow, awesome. And it's like a pretty full bag. Awesome, awesome. Oh, look at those. Look. I don't remember the name in English. Scarco?
What?
Something like that. You guys know what they are, right? We have 3 of them here. They're really cute. What's this? Gem Tech. Rhinestone glue. Ooh, it dries clear. Awesome. Stickers. I love stickers. I love stickers. Look, I'm gonna open this one so you can see all of them. Fall stickers, guys. Let's see. We have a lot of stuff in this box. Wow, those are really beautiful. Look at those. Oh my God. Beautiful. Yep. A lot of opportunities here, guys. Okay, let's see what else. What is this? I see candies. Oh my God, candies. Now it's perfect. Oh, look at that. So beautiful. Thank you so much, Michelle. Look, it's a fall mug full of candies. Thank you. Let's see what else. Wow. Look at that. A mold. I swear I was not expecting a mold. That was a plus for me. I didn't know I would have a mold in here. Look at that. I don't have anything similar to that. Fall leaves mold. That's perfect. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Look at these stickers, guys. Oh wow. with like they're transparent, see? Awesome, really, really beautiful. And those are, is this a mold too? Yeah, I think they're mold. Let me see. Let me open with care. I don't, okay, wait. I don't want to cut this. Okay. Oh, I can't believe it. Oh, I can't believe it. Guys, it's a teeny tiny pumpkin mold. Oh my God, look. So cute. I love it. So we pour we pour both sides and then we put them together. Maybe like that. We pour, let me think. I believe so. Like we pour both and then before, of course, before 100% cured, we put them together so they can stick together. Or we just, because I don't think sticking them together like that and pouring, it's gonna work. I'm not sure. I'm gonna ask her about this one, but I love it. This is so freaking cute. Okay. And this. I'm gonna get my scissors so I don't have. Okay. What is in here? What is in here? Oh, I think they're glitters. I think those are glitters. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Costume glitter mix for fall box. Look at that. I'm sorry, guys, but you cannot buy those. Oh, my God. I love it. Look at these colors. Wow. I think we have more in here. Oh, yes. Oh, two more. Oh, my God. Look at those fall colors. Awesome. So beautiful. Oh, my God. Let's see what else. Wow. A lot of stuff, right? Wow. These are like wood cuts, right? Small fall leaves. Look at those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 options. See? 9 different fall leaves. Perfect. Oh, yeah. And this. Use these napkins and pre-cut scrapbook papers inside your resin. Check out my videos number 161 for napkins, 593 for scrapbook paper for inspiration. Look at that. Oh yeah, we'll definitely wash them. Let me see here. I don't want. I'm a little bit clumsy, guys, so I really don't want to cut them. Okay. Wow. Oh my God. Guys, wait, I'm gonna show all of them. Wait, I think we have 2 options here. Yeah. Oh my God, look at those. Beautiful. Awesome. We have 2 types here and we have 4 of each. Yeah, 4 of each. And they get bigger, of course. They're napkins. They're folded, but they get bigger, you know, like that. Oh, that is so pretty. And the scrapbook papers. We have 2 options too. Wow. Yeah, let me just make sure. Oh no, we have more. Let's see. 3. You have 3 different patterns. Look at those. Wow. It couldn't be more fall, right? Michelle, I'm just amazed about everything that came in this box. I'm really, really happy and I don't regret it for a second. I will obviously buy the next one, so please don't stop. Just keep doing them because I want more. Okay? Thank you so much, Michelle. And thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it and I'll see you in the next ones. Bye!
The autumn sun is shining.